This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Alright, so me and Ness just came out to Best Buy. I'm about to get some batteries for this camera because I don't want to have that same situation I had before where the camera died at a car show. So let's go get that done. Alright, so we got the battery. So now we good to go. Alright, so now we're about to head out to Smash Burger and get some food. It was between Smash Burger or Chipotle, but being that I eat Chipotle a lot at work, we're just gonna go to Smash Burger. Alright, so I forgot to vlog it, but your boy got a New Jersey burger. And it's pretty rocking. It's pretty rocking. With a nice little soda here. Make sure you guys go follow your boy on Instagram, man. Happy Memorial Day, my friends and family, man. Today we're gonna be hopping in the S2000. I'm not sure where we're gonna be at or where we're going, but all I know is we driving the bad boy today. All right, so let's see where today takes us. Let's see what our day has in store for us, because I honestly don't know. The S is so dirty from all this pollen, but I was told that when you leave the car cover on and it's windy, it actually scratches up the paint, so I just choose not to do it. Goddamn seatbelt. I need to get myself some racing harnesses, man. The seatbelt is such a hassle with these Recaro seats. I kid you not. Oh, the air up. So the poll I did last night, wow, 70% of the people said do it. So yeah, I made my decision that much easier. All right, air out. Nice. Where'd that say? What'd that say? Does that say successful? Successful. All right, we made it. Let's get our food. I'm hungry. Dang, I'm out here looking like a peppermint or something. I look minty.
No.
I look minty. I don't know what she's talking about. But we just came to our favorite diner and I'm about to get an Italian hot dog. I was gonna get breakfast, but I'm not really feeling the breakfast right now. Feeling kind of like burger-ish. So I'm gonna get an Italian hot dog. Came out to Sandy Hook, which is the beach, and we came out and took some flicks at a S2000. So make sure you guys go to my Instagram, PhilS2K, and go show that picture some love, man. I'm about to turn off these lights so I don't kill the battery, but it looks so good out here. There's probably wind and sun outside, but we'll see. There goes the sand behind it. Somebody riding it like that. All right, so we out here with the Rocket. I mean, in the S2000, I'm about to recreate the photo I got with the Civic Si when I had it. I've been dying to come out here to do this. So what's Memorial Day without this, right? Now, I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been voting and like helping me ease that mind of going with the flare kit and everything like that. So as you guys know, I am going to be flaring the car. I know a lot of you are going to be hell-bent about it. I know a lot of you are going to say why, but at the end of the day, this is my car, this is my build, and I'm going to do what I want to do. Now, am I going to jump right into it? Probably not. But what I will tell you guys is I did order the front fenders for the car. I want to see how it's going to look with just the front fenders, and then I'll know for sure on how I want to do the rear. But I have another package coming in on Friday. If you guys can tell me what that package is, you'll be a key point in the giveaway. Alright, so if you guys didn't know, I'm going to be doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm not sure what the giveaway will be. Maybe I'll do another Adams Polishes giveaway. I think that was a pretty dope giveaway, and I think I'll do it again. So if you want to, I want you guys to hashtag Adams Polishes inside the comment section, or you can hashtag highly official. Alright, now with that being said, there will be a flare S2000 series, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be doing a series on that. We're going to also be doing a series on the air suspension for the trunk. So as you guys can see, and I've stated it in the beginning of this vlog, I will be trying to get myself some racing harnesses and stuff like that, because your boy's just gonna go full-fledged and do everything not one time, but get everything done in that order or whatever. So if you guys want to be a part of that build, you guys want to watch me get this car to where my mind is bringing it, my vision is going, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel. Let's get your boy to 10,000 subscribers. If you guys could get me to 10,000 subscribers, I would highly appreciate it. Alright, so with that being said, your boy's out of here. On to the next vlog. I'm out.